Hello everyone, my name is Ashley Hahn and I am working on the PrestaShop version 1.7.6-1. And today I'm going to be adding categories, products, discounts, quantity to my new PrestaShop account, which I just recently deployed. So first, under categories, which I clicked, we're going to add new category. For name, I'm going to put handbags. And then I'm going to go ahead and click save at the bottom right hand corner. Successful creation, handbags. I'm actually going to go ahead and give that a description. Women's handbags from designers. I'm going to go ahead and save that. Now we're going under products and we're going to go to new product. We're going to add an image which I selected from online. Recent. We're adding this purse. For description, we are doing YSL handbag woman fall 2019 collection. For quantity, we're going to put 4. For shipping, width, we're just going to go ahead and with 15, 20, 20. Weight, we're doing 8 kilograms. Pricing. The retail price for this handbag is approximately $1,600, so that's what we're going to set it as. And now we are going to click save. I'm not sure why it says unable to update settings. We're going to put under accessories, not under home. Enter product name, YSL handbag. Now we're going to click save. Settings updated. And now we're going to continue to add a few more products onto PrestaShop, and I will be back after. Continue on, we're going to add a new product. I'm going to go ahead and select the product right here, upload it, give it a description. First, I'm going to enter the product name, Louis Vuitton Neverfull GM. For description, classical Louis Vuitton Neverfull GM handbag. Quantity, we have 6 of these in stock. Shipping, we'll keep blank for now. Pricing, retail price of $14.50. Here we go. And we're going to click save. Settings updated. Let's see if it's been added. It has been added. I'm going to go ahead and pause this and add the third item right now. So now that I have uploaded 3 products, we're going to go ahead and see that they are uploaded onto the product guide.